Hey, what's happening, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Chevy. Shout it! I'm back with another video, y'all. So today, yeah, man, we done made it up here to my boy garage, man. We getting the tent put on this bad boy. You feel me? So we're a little behind on camera footage. We've been talking and chopping it up about some little stuff in the background, but yeah, we getting the tent on the two windows. You know what I'm saying? All around that guy. Yeah, but y'all stay tuned. Look, this here work right here. So y'all know he official. Look at that thing. You see my reflection in there so damn good. Y'all need tent, y'all come holler at my boy, man. Y'all see it work, it's official. Yes, sir. Y'all stay tuned. You can tell a big difference now. Big difference. Yes, sir. Came together. Look like a whole different car now.
Yeah.
Don't even look the same. That's crazy.
You know, wrap it and take that one time. Yeah. That's a big difference.
Heck yeah.
Most people it's one, then a month or two later it's the other one.
Yeah.
She doing yours all at once.
Yeah. Woo. What y'all think, y'all? Y'all leave a comment. Tell me rate the wrapping and 10 on a 1 to 10. Let me know how we did. Front and back. Yes, sir. Y'all see my boy work? Y'all want to holler at my boy, go straight to Jenkins Pro. They go telephone number, go on and hit him up. Window 10, you see it. Instagram, Jenkins Pro, window 10. Y'all need some work done, holler at my boy. Tight work. Yeah, man, we official now, dog. That boy got that tent, dog. Boy, hey, man, we through that now, boy. We looking real good. We looking professional, y'all. You can still see about that thing just a little bit. Yeah, that's crazy though. It feel darker in here. That's the crazy part. Let's see. Yes, sir. I see my boy got me right. All right, y'all. This a few days later. After I got the windows tinted, and I realized I didn't end the vlog. So, just looking at my garage, man, my shit is filthy right now. So, I'm finna do a little organizing. I need to get these webs out of the ceiling over here. I got junk just laying over here. That's the air intake for the Camaro, along with some other stuff and just boxes of trash, coolers laying everywhere, tarps, tires. Yeah, man, so it might not look dirty and stuff to y'all, but my shit is just totally unorganized right now. I'm embarrassed. So I'm finna take a hour and clean this up real quick and get my garage back in order, because
we all about loyalty,
clutterness, and
that royalty.
So let's get to it.
We kicking shit over here. You understand me? Yeah. I'm for my brother. He watched me struggle. Came up together. Go get that bag. Bring in that cash. We turn up bad. Projects to mansions. Shit crazy like Marilyn Manson. Look how my diamonds dancing. My bitch is fancy. My bitch so fancy. My bitch so fancy. Look how my diamond dancing. Shit crazy like Marilyn Manson. Shit so crazy, dawg. Yesterday I walked in Lindy, fucked up the whole mall. Diamond dancing on my neck like a disco ball. I got your bitch from the round with my damn balls. I don't answer numbers from no damn private calls. You looking for a check, might as well come correct. I'm all about my shit.
We have literally had no sun, 0 sun since the day I got this car back from the wrap shop. So I have yet to see what it actually looks like in the sun, which is bogus as hell. Really some bullshit, but it's all good. But yeah, I see the tent came out great. My boy did a good job, man. Car look like a whole different beast now. It really set it off. Tent always make a car look better. I just wanted to ride around with no tent for a little while when I first got the car, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it definitely look a whole lot better now. Definitely. Alright, y'all, so I didn't clean up the garage the best I could for right now. I did want to pull the Camaro out of here and get it like real detailed clean, but I can't because it started raining hard and I don't want the car just sitting out there in the rain. So I cleaned up and organized the best I could. I don't know how y'all function, but I can't operate in no clutter. That shit just fry my brain. I get this, you know what I'm saying? So I just neatly try to organize minus the trash. I neatly try to push everything in the corner, you know what I'm saying? And get it structured the best I could. But yeah, that's you know, the best I can do. So y'all stay tuned for the mods on the car, man. We got some stuff coming up real soon. So as far as car mods go, next we probably gonna install the lights since we got the tint done on the car. So I gotta install the lights on here. And then I slapped that air intake on there too. So hopefully that'll give me just a little bit of added horsepower. They say it'll do a little something, not a whole lot, but I'll take it. Hopefully it bring out my whine a little bit more too. My whine will go a little louder, hopefully. But yeah, I'm gonna do power mods. And I'm not gonna let nobody in Atlanta work on my car, so I'm gonna ship my car down to Late Model Racecraft and let them folks touch on it because I just hear too much chitter chatter about these shops in Georgia. No knock on nobody, so don't get in your feelings, don't get mad. I'm just telling y'all what I see and what I hear from other cars that, you know, ZL1s and stuff like that. So I'm not finna take the chance and spend tens of thousands and then my car's in the shop every other month and I still gotta pay to get it worked on, to get it back running. By that time, you like 20K in, 30K in, cause now you gotta pay to get it repaired. Man, I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not doing that. Let me just pay a premium price tag in the beginning and have the car done right the first time. And now I ain't gotta worry about if I wanna go beat on it a day or two and I ain't gotta worry about nothing breaking down. So yeah, my car will be going to Late Model Racecraft. I'm thinking about 2 packages that they got. One I really want to do, but I don't want to go crazy because when you get to adding that kind of horsepower, it's gonna come with some kind of problem. So I'm thinking I might tune it down to another package. But I did want to go big boy, so I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly what I want to do, but I did want to go big on big. So they just give you an idea of what I was thinking about doing. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Maybe when YouTube start paying, then we'll go and do something like that. But for right now, you know what I'm saying? I work too goddamn hard to be going back and forth to a shop, bro. No, sir. Hey, man, I got it, but I ain't got it like that. We just gonna keep it all the way funky. All right, but yeah, man, I'm so excited to see what's to come. So y'all stay tuned, man, and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man, because a lot of people watching, y'all not subscribed. Just click subscribe at the top of the page, bro. It don't cost you nothing. And hit that like button too. So even if you don't subscribe, bro, at least hit the like, bro. Hit that thumbs up, dog. That helps me with more than you know. So, and that don't cost you a dime, dog. So, yeah, bro. Mess with your boy, dog. Yeah. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for the next videos, man. The lights should be the next one I'm throwing up. So we put the lights on the car and do some other customizations. Y'all stay tuned for the videos, man. Oh yeah, air intake coming on soon. So stay tuned, man. It's your boy Chevy Shouted. I'm out. Peace.